Sri Fatima College, Madurai. Today's class we are going to see about the Roman history. So the Roman history is something relate with the historical, how the historical progress has been changed the world, as well as it continue with the Roman Greek historiography. So already we have seen about the history was started with the Roman and Greek history alone. So the Roman history was first started by the Herodotus during 5th century. So that time only the Historia was started. His story was started, that was brought in the Greek Historia. So apart from that, the Roman history is also developed along with the Greek history. So we'll see the next slide. So let me start with the introduction. We already know about the father of history is Herodotus. So the follower of the Herodotus, it was started with Livy as well as Thucydides. The Romans were well organized literary society and left records of all kinds from the amount of gain imported to those who standing for the Roman Senate. The historians such as Livy also left the details of the empire letters and more interesting to know the Romans. And the Roman historiography consists of two principal characters like humanism as well as substantialism. And next we start with the significance of Roman historiography. So the Roman historiography is said about the evidence. The evidence is very much important in the human history, and to collect the informations of man and the deeds of the achievements, and what was the man's purposes, and what was the man's successes, and what was the man's failure. So the human brought more centered in the power of to write about the history. And then we see the interventions of gods and supernatural agency. It occasionally noticeable in the history writing their function was often restricted. And this history is brought the result of human will because of the man finally responsible for his actions and end of he wants to achieve the it. Next we see in the Roman history because of this prioritize an ultimate substance which theoretically believe that only what is unchanging the knowable. Though you can see the Titus Livy, one of the great Roman historiographer, and we see about the Titus Livy. The Titus Livy was the teacher of Rhetoric and apparently casual reference in his writing on front of the empire of Augustus. The empire as a part of this program to glorify Rome and suggests that Livy stop teaching and write the history of the city, as well as is the only source where the traditions and official temple analysis listing the consuls and the chief events of each year, and he want to record the personals of the histories as well as the frequently accelerate by the keep the famous things was whatever he want to be declared for the family. So that was the thing, that is the family history is very important for writing the history. Next we see about the history of Rome, and Livy attempt to narrate the history nearly 8 centuries from time Romulus and Remus to reign of Tiberius. The work composed of 142 books, of which barely quarter have been preserved. Preservation, you know about that books has been preserved. So one of this book is 1 to 10 copies of the book has been preserved, and 21 to 45 along with some fragments means it's something specimens of that books, or the several books has been kept as the material of this volume. What the Livy has brought the Roman history into the light, that is the important of the glimpse of Roman history. Next we've seen about the Tacitus. Tacitus is also one of the great Roman historiographer, and he was the orator and public official and recorded so many things of the Roman history to greatest poetry form lyricist, as well as he wrote the Latin languages, and he preferred to do the Latin languages, as well as among his work the Germania, that was one of the inscribed book and describing the way of what the Herodotus did in the previous book was Historia, and he was concerning the Roman Empire from 69 to 96 AD, and later it was started as Annus and dealing with the empire in the period of 14 to 68 AD. Next, we see the end of our presentation. So the Roman history brought a new light to the enlightenment of the history, as well as it also the pre-plan of his church historiography, and church historiography leave with the St. Augustine's formula that brought the city as God. So all these writings that developed the modern era of history. Thank you for watching this video.